Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to create tuples and how to access elements from tuples. So in the last class I have discussed about list and how to access elements from list and what are the functions. Okay, so the main difference between list and tuple is both are used to store heterogeneous collection of elements, that is nothing but different data items. So you can store in one variable, that is nothing but student number, student name, student average, okay, student gender, okay, in this way. So one student details contain different data items. For example, number is integer, name is a string, and average is a float, like this. So you can store all these elements into a single variable. So for that purpose we can use list or tuples. So the only difference between list and tuple is list is used to store elements and those elements are mutable. That means we can add one more elements or we can delete elements. Okay, so we can perform all the addition operations and deletion operations from the list, but that is not possible in tuples. So if you want to store the data permanently, then you need to use tuples. So tuples are known as immutable. Okay, so let's create one tuple. So tuples are represented with parentheses. Okay, so if you want to check the data type of tuple, then type of t, it will return tuple. Why? Because tuples are represented with parentheses. Okay, so next t is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so in this purpose, if you want to store group of elements, then parentheses are optional. Okay, so if you didn't specify any parentheses, it will return it is a tuple. It will consider it is a tuple. Or else if you put the parentheses, then that is also considered as tuple. Okay, type of t, it will return tuple. Okay, so in this way you can create tuples. Tuples are represented with parentheses, and tuples are also used to store duplicate elements. So elements may be duplicated. So here I am storing 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9, like this. Okay, and after that 2 3, so here elements are repeated. Okay, 2 3 elements are repeated, but it will return all the elements. Duplicate elements are accepted. Okay, so if you want to print all the elements from the tuple, then you need to use print of t. Okay, print of t, like this. So it will print all the elements. For example, I want to access only one element. Okay, I want to access only one element from the tuple. Then for that purpose, you need to use index. Okay, so index values always starts with 0. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so in this way you can access individual element. For example, t of 8, it will return 2. So this is the t of 8. Okay, this is the 8th index value. Or else if you want to access the 3 element, you can use t of 9 or t of minus 1. Okay, so tuples also have positive index values, also negative index value. Positive index value starts from 0 and negative index value starts from minus 1. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay, so it accepts positive index values as well as negative index values. Okay, so here total 10 elements are there. For example, I want to access only from 1 to 5 elements. Okay, so for that purpose, if you want to access only single element, then you need to use index. For example, if you want to access range of values, then you need to use slicing. So in the last class I have explained about the slicing also. So slicing contains 3 parts: start, stop, step. Start is used to indicate the starting index value. So I want to access these 5 elements: 1 2 3 4 5. So what is the starting index? So 1 is the starting value. So one starting value contains 0th index, so that's why the starting index is 0. And what is the ending index? This is 0 1 2 3 4, but you need to take 5. Okay, 5 is the ending index value and step is 1. Step is nothing but incrementation, so it will print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, for example, I want to print these elements from backward direction 3 2 9 8 6 5 4 3 2 1 like this. Okay, so for this purpose you can use negative index t of, so what is the starting index value? Minus 1. Why? Because you want to print like this, so that's why what is the starting index value? From this the starting index value is minus 1. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so what is the ending index value you need to take? So here you need to take minus 11 and the step is minus 1. Okay, so it will print all the elements from reverse direction. Okay, so if you can access all the elements from forward direction or reverse direction or range of values, anything. Okay, for example, I want to print these three elements. Then what is the starting index? So this is 0 1 2. So starting index 2 and ending index is 5. Okay, step is 1 like this. So if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.